Yeah, so when I first started, it's a ton of information and it's really unlike anything that I had experienced before. It's a lot of online training, a lot of hands-on training and shadowing with the manager and the other coaches here to learn the process, how to coach everybody, to make sure everybody's in the correct form. Most of us come from wellness backgrounds and have an awareness of the body, so a lot of it comes really naturally to us too. So unlike gym or a fitness center, I'm taking you through each device step by step, showing you how to do the movements. So you're always in the best anatomical position and your strongest position for your body. Throughout my time at OsteoStrong, I have seen so many people come in with amazing results. I've seen a few people in just 6 months increase their bone density by 5 or 6%. Some people having 1.5 inches in a height increase. Some really awesome results in pretty much 6 months to a year. Getting older does not mean getting weaker. Stay strong with OsteoStrong.